Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Trainings Hands-on Exercise 1. So we will open our training. I will guide you through this training step by step. Making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. If you want to do this training from me and if you want to do this complete course from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description, and my WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. And we will do for this course. I will handle your complete multi-lab course, my lab IT course. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word. I will do your all simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. So we will launch our training. Okay, I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. So we launch our training. Okay, if you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. So question 1 is that type Savinier program in cell A8. We will click on cell A8 and we will type Savinier program. Click on cell A8. In the formula bar, we will type Savinier program and press enter. So select cell A1 and then spell check the worksheet. When promoted, change the misspelling of souvenir to souvenir. Okay, select cell A1, go to the review tab. In the proofing group, click on spelling button. So click on change all button and spell check complete. You are good to go. Click on OK button. So this question is done. So I am going to do question number 2 of this training so far. Question number 2 is that enter 101 in cell B5 and then click the enter check mark. Basically in this question we will click on cell B5 and then we will enter 101 in cell B5, 101, and enter. Use the fill handle to copy the value from cell B5 to cell B6 through cell B10. Okay, use the value copies through cell B10, B6 to B10. Use fill option to change the value to a series. We will click on this fill option and then we will click on fill series checkbox. Okay, this question is done now. You can see I have done 2 questions of this training so far. But I have done this complete training for my student. I just show you 2 questions in my video, but I have done this complete training for my student. So now I am going to submit this training and I will show my grade which I have got in this training. Please click OK to submit the training. Okay. I have got 100% grade in this training. You can see on my laptop screen. I have got 100%. I have got 4 points out of 4. It means it's A plus grade. If you want to do this training from me and if you want to do this complete course from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. I can do your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all my lab IT course, all Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, all simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You can scan my WhatsApp in the first slide of this video and you can click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can easily click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all student. Thank you so much.